Welcome again to my channel. This video I actually want to quickly go through this video so that if I post it online, if anybody that has the capital to actually carry out this arbitrage should do it. But before you do it, please make sure you do your own analysis, because by the time I'm making this video, the opportunity is actually there. It might be before I finish making this video there will be no opportunity, or there might be still opportunity. So what I want you to do is we want to do what we call cross action arbitrage, where you buy low and sell high. So in this video you can see the price of Leo here is actually very low here. So I would advise you, if you want to do this arbitrage, you can actually do it with $50. Don't go in with much money, because if you go in with much money, you will not see, like, the liquidity here is not much, but there are merchants who are going to sell to you at this current price. You can see. So what we are going to do, we are going to do this with market order. I'll still explain why you should use market order. So let's say you want to buy 50. Let me use limit order so that you understand. But if you want to do it with market order. Let's say you want to go with $50. With $50 we are going to have this amount, so it's going to be executed very fast. Use market order. I'm using limit order so that you will see the price and the amount. So let's copy the price. You can use market order. So we will now move to the next exchange, which is k.io. So on k.io you can see there are merchants who are going to buy at this current market price. So what you need to do is you are going to send the coin down here. Let's check out for the network address. So this is the coin here. So you can see the network address is Polygon, which is Matic. Polygon is also called Matic. So this is the network address. You copy it. Once you copy the network address, you move to Mexi, click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, you allow it to load up. Click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it's going to pop up an interface like this, where you type in the coin you want to send to get.io. You can see the network here is also Matic. So what we need to do is click paste in the withdrawal address. You paste in the withdrawal address. We type in the price 2309, is it 0.45. So if we are going to send this amount to get.io, the network fee is 0.2 leo. So we are going to receive 2309 leo. On get.io here we receive is it 2309. So if we receive this price, if we receive this amount of leo on get.io, we are going to make $5.41 as our profit. So that is it. So all what you need to do is you need to check the market order. Before you check the market order, if the opportunity is still there, before you proceed, because by the time I'm making this video the opportunity is still there. If you check and the opportunity is not there for you to use market order, you leave it, because the reason why market order is very, very good is it allows you to buy a particular coin at the moment and you sell it also at the moment. So if you check and the opportunity to use market order is not there anymore, you actually leave it. So I would have taken this opportunity, but I just want to drop it on the platform for anybody who has the capital to run it. I do drop signal like this. So if you want to be getting signal like this, you go to my channel description, click on mentorship and get in contact with me, and I'm going to tell you what you need to do. But It's not actually free. It's not free. I'm going to charge you for dropping signal for you every single day.